All right, for your Amatrol equipment tip for today, I want to talk about the AC/DC wiring system. You will receive these fork terminals, and it's designed to slot the fork terminals onto your components like so, and then you're supposed to have the students tighten down with this screw. Well, what you want to do is you want to take these fork terminals and you want to throw those away. Get rid of those. Okay? What you want to do is you want to take some scrap wire, solid wire, and you want to put a bend in it, make it look like that, and then put that underneath your screw and tighten it down. So you can see that all my components have these on here, and the reason they're there is to make using alligator clips much easier. This will greatly speed up your wiring, and it'll give you the opportunity to not only avoid this breaking, because this will strip on you when you're using those fork terminals. So you avoid that, you speed up wiring with your students, and it also gives you the ability to add other components much easier, because now you can just alligator clip to items that you might have, like this proc sensor, or some of the items that you see on the DIN rail. You could set yourself up a system like that.